Today, we're diving into the Nutation Bevel gear mechanism, a marvel of mechanical engineering. But this isn't just theory. I'll walk you through every step from designing in Autodesk Fusion to bringing it to life with 3D printing and assembly. By the end of this video, you'll know how it works. Let's begin. First, let's break down what a Nutation Bevel gear mechanism is and why it's so special. Unlike traditional gears that rotate on a single axis, nutation involves a unique tilting motion. The central gear, called the nutating gear, moves on a cone-like path. But don't worry if it sounds complicated, we'll break it down step by step. Before we dive into designing this mechanism, I want to take a moment to talk about the amazing tool that makes all this possible, Autodesk Fusion. This all-in-one CAD, CAM, and CAE software provides professional-grade features for designing, simulating, and manufacturing your projects. This powerful professional-grade software is equipped with a wide range of advanced tools that cater to beginners and experts alike. One of its standout features is its intuitive interface, which is thoughtfully designed to enhance productivity and make navigation seamless. Whether you're creating intricate 3D models, simulating real-world functionality, or collaborating on complex projects, Fusion 3D provides the perfect platform to bring your ideas to life. With its user-friendly layout and comprehensive capabilities, designing in Autodesk Fusion 360 becomes a smooth and rewarding experience. Next, I'll bring all the parts together in a virtual assembly. And there we have it, a fully functional digital model of the Nutation Bevel gear mechanism. Also, there is a 30% discount on Autodesk Fusion 1-year subscription. Click on link in description to get discount. I'll export each component as an STL file, the universal format for 3D printing. To optimize the print, I'll import these files into my slicer software. In the slicer, I'm setting a custom printing parameter for best printing. Supports are enabled only where necessary. With the slicing complete, let's fire up the printer. I'm using Bamboo Lab A1 with PLA, which provides excellent precision and durability for mechanical parts. As you can see, the gears and frame components are taking shape beautifully. Here are the finished parts: smooth edges, detailed teeth, and robust structure. These components are ready for assembly. Now comes the fun part: assembly. Assembly might look simple, but attention to detail is key. Each gear must fit perfectly to ensure smooth motion. So finally, let us see how it performs. So, where is this mechanism used in real life? You'll find it in robotics for transferring motion to compact spaces, in aerospace for high-precision control, and even in advanced manufacturing equipment. Its unique motion makes it indispensable for innovative engineering solutions. Learning about mechanisms like this not only expands your knowledge, but also inspires creative designs. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the Nutation Bevel gear mechanism. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel